Hi Florence fam, my name is Michaela and today I'm gonna be showing you guys the LowKey Calming Peel Off Mask. You guys love this mask so much when it was part of the 16 Wishes collection, we decided to bring it back in a full size of its own. Okay, so first guys, look at this color. I mean, isn't it so gorgeous? It is a rose gold and it's just so iridescent and beautiful. I mean, it just kind of complements my skin a little bit. I've already washed my face using our Clean Magic Face Wash. So now I'm just gonna apply a thick, even layer of the mask all over my face. So to apply the mask, you guys can use your fingers, but today I'm gonna be using our silicone face mask brush. The brush just makes it really easy to apply the mask evenly without getting your fingers and your hands super messy. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna apply an even coat and I'm gonna try to avoid my eyebrow hairs and my baby hairs. All right, so now we're just gonna wait 20 to 30 minutes and we're gonna let this mask work its magic. All right, here we go, guys. So easy. That was so satisfying to peel off in one piece, super easy. All right, so I just wiped off the rest of the residue and now we're going to moisturize with our Dreamy Dew Moisturizer. Wow, so refreshing and cooling. And now I'm going to finish with our Zero Chill Face Mist. Wow, and I feel reset and refreshed, y'all. This is amazing. Just one more. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching.